This one is called A Woman in Love. A woman in love is like a blooming rose, perfuming the air with goddess scents, healing lifetimes of wounds from generations past. The thorns are bittersweet, yet when transmuted, you realize all things are purposeful. A woman in love, beautiful words are her way of being, nurturing all creation around her, creates beauty with words, living life and life everlasting, co-creator of new worlds that imagination has not seen. Her lingering smile softens moods and cracks the depth of hardened hearts, letting the flow of new life in, revealing a chance to love again. A woman in love awakens new levels of opulence and bliss, creating with her womb generations of the future, transforming ashes to beauty, releasing butterflies as a sign of transformation, with the vision of an eagle, roars of a lion, whispers of hummingbirds, freedom of doves, gentleness of swines, grand displays of peacock, wisdom of the ancients flowing like gentle rivers, longevity of the Tadas, harmony of the sun, moon, and stars. A woman in love is a divine catalyst to all, a living witness of God's creation magnified to unbelievable depth. A woman in love not only stands alone, but together with another soul. Magic abides and new worlds are revealed. Let love be love. Let the dripping of love clothe your mind, body, and soul. Let your love signature tell your story. This is just the beginning of what's possible for a woman touched by love. As always, Keroy King, reading from Divine Soul Whispers. You can find this book on Jumia or send me a message to get a soft copy. Talk to you soon.